Good evening. Today on the bench we have this nice Aiwa HS-JX505. This one is very beautiful, very good condition, as I can see externally. Yeah. And now when I open it, I see that there were something wrong. I think there were some leakage, maybe of the capacitors or maybe of the battery acid. And there we have some kind of painting, very poor painting. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Yeah, you can see it perfectly. This one also sadly doesn't have that bi-azimuth mechanism, and it is fixed in place yet, but what can you do? It is what it is. And I have not tried to say to the customer that you have to change that and make it bi-azimuth, because right now I think I do not have any parts to do that. Okay, so let's check the device straight away. What I don't like that I cannot see some symbols on the LCD. Now if I put headphones and the cassette inside, yeah, let's press play. And I can hear the music, but it's super quiet. Yeah, it is super quiet. Okay, what about the radio? Yeah, super quiet audio from the tape. And what about the radio? We have something, but it's also super quiet. What I don't like that we do not have some symbols, you know, when we, for example, start playing it, all the 4 symbols appear and they have to spin it like in this direction or like in another direction. I do not understand why they are not working right now. Okay, so we see what the issues are instantly, and you all know capacitors are long gone, so we will have to change them. And of course we will have to clean everything and do full tape transport service for this also. So stay tuned and let's start. And ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. You can see lots of corrosion everywhere. So we perfectly know that all capacitors are just gone with the wind. So let's remove PCB and we'll start repairing it. To remove the PCB we have some screws, not much of them. Wow, what a long one. Yes, this screw should be right here, and I think that we have the situation where somebody was already inside it. Somebody already was in it. Good, let's prepare. Do we have missing components? Because I think that maybe there should be something. Let's unsolder those joints. For the flex wires. Straight away, tape transport doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Okay, we'll be back to that part a bit later. Oh well, that will smell terrible from what I can see. Let's do that fast. Yay. Yikes. Yeah, this is very bad. And I think that we are truly missing a component right over here. Yeah. Okay, let's remove this part because it's in the way. And let's go, I think, to clean this. We will do first part of cleaning, and then I will remove all the capacitors, and we will do second part of cleaning. So I'll be back after deep cleaning. Okay, so I'm back from first part of the deep cleaning, and we cleaned all that, most of that mess actually around the places, yeah. So right now I think that at first let's remove all the capacitors. Let's unsolder them. Okay, so let's start unsoldering process. Okay. Look at those. Very nice, yeah? Let's put those straight away to the bin. Placed their way where they belong to. And let's go outside and do the second step of cleaning. I'll be back after that. Okay, so I'm back. have done that cleaning process. Let's just go again in that place to remove all the residue of the cleaner. And let's try to clean those pads, and after that we will do board inspection with the tester. Okay, so straight away what I can say is that there is a huge damage to the board. Very huge damage. Somehow we will try to repair it, but this one is gonna be a tough one. I'm gonna test the board with the tester, and I'll be back after this. So I have checked all the vias, and what I have done is I have repaired one right over here. Also replaced this. I think this is the double packaged transistor, because one of the legs was corroded off, and right now I have just removed this potentiometer to clean this from the inside. And I think everything should be fine, and we will start soldering all the capacitors back in. But right now let's repair this one. Yeah, now it is perfect. Okay, so let's start soldering those components back. So let's prepare capacitors and let's start soldering. I'll be back soon. Okay, so capacitors are prepared. So let's start soldering them. Do you know what I have forgot? I have forgot to check if there we are missing some component, and let's see. Okay, so right over here okay, we have that capacitor, and under that capacitor, yeah, exactly, 1 ohm resistor. So let me see, maybe I have something on some PCB. Okay, got it. Jesus, you are so tiny little fella. I think it is fine. Let me check. Should get 0 ohms right over here. Exactly. Okay. perfectly fine. So we finished with the board. Actually, we will put the last thing on it. It's this one. Right now, let's do mechanical stuff. Or not. No, let's not do mechanical stuff. Let's remove the door and let's change that battery. Because there is a sticker and that sticker is on top of some chip. And now we have successfully removed that one. Right here it sticks. Okay, what do we have over here? We have capacitor and we have that battery. And we have to be super gentle to remove that glue right over here. That's it. We'll clean the dust later. But now let's focus on that capacitor maybe at first. 4 volt, 220. I got some of these and actually this one's still fine, but if it's fine right now and a few moments it cannot be fine, yeah. So let's do a preventive maintenance. And again, this PCB doesn't show that thing. I do not understand why. I don't see any damaged components or so on and so forth, you know. Well, it is what it is. Okay, this one is also Panasonic, but from different century, because those are also Panasonics. Good. Okay, let's continue then. Put those screws a bit later now. We have tape transport. We're definitely changing the belt with the new one. Belt. And let's do that maintenance. Motor is just perfectly fine, but we will definitely remove those. Good, so next thing, tape head block. Right over here, everything moves very smooth. So just let's do the general cleaning for the head. Pinch rollers also. Good, so right now what we can do, we can assemble device. Okay, now let's start soldering everything. Funny part. Okay, this is it. Moment of truth. Okay, we have some issue, as I can hear. Yes, and that issue is right over here. Okay. Let's try to find that point of failure. Okay, very strange thing. You can hear that in 1 second. We have somewhere loose contact right here. Okay, let me try to figure it out what the hell is going on, and I'll be back when I have something. Okay, so I think I found the issue, because when I pressed just a little bit on that corner, a sound appeared and it was just fine. And just look at that component. This is, I think, due to corrosion also, so I'll have to just repair it. So I'll use Dremel right over here, and we will solder back that component. Okay, so I have successfully soldered back that component, that coil, back into the circuit, and there were sound instantly. But I have noticed another issue, and another issue was that one of the muting transistors was not kicking in time. Yeah, so right channel was like if you, for example, put into the play and put into fast forward, you can hear that noise, you know, that generates fast forward and so on and so forth. So I have replaced one transistor. Actually, if you can see the service manual, so it was Q8. That was for the right channel, and the issue gone. So right now, if, for example, test the device a bit before other procedures, yeah. first maybe we can try the radio. Now it kicks, and when you turn off, it is off. And then was that nonsense that you just kick in, turn on the radio, for example, and the right channel is instantly on, almost instantly on, without cool down process. And now they both are fine. Okay, so maybe let's do that brief testing. So let's play. Okay, there is no tape inside. Let's play. Let's put in the tape. Okay. Good, then the radio. Yeah, radio is also working. So right now I will do tape speed and wow and flutter check, and set also dolby levels. So let me prepare everything, and we will do that tape speed at first. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we are a bit too slow, and wow and flutter is kind of normal for these devices. Let's check another side. Yeah, we are a bit too slow, definitely. Okay, so let's set then wow and flutter. Let's set then tape speed. Tape speed potentiometer is over here. Okay, another direction. I think this will be kind of sweet spot for this device, and actually wow and flutter is also very nice for it. So that's it. Now I will set the Dolby levels for this device. So till then. Okay, so let's set Dolby levels. Okay, so Dolby levels. We have right channel, we have ground, and we have left channel. So ground, I think we will grab anywhere. This point is also okay. And now let's check. Come on. Jesus Christ. Okay, so we have 98 and 84. This is a bit too low for that channel. This is left one. Let's do 98, 98. Okay, another side. We have also 98 and all over the places. $110, something like that. So that's actually in the specification. Okay, so right now let's just assemble device. and we will test it as always with some music. Yeah. We can check the device finally. But before, as always, let's do tape head demagnetizing. Okay, and for the final time, let's plug in the headphones. Let's put in some cassette and let's try it. Yeah, radio. Also works. Yeah, it detects stations also, and so on and so forth. So this will be it regarding this nice Aiwa HS-JX505. This was quite a challenging repair, but in the end we achieved very great results. So as always, I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.